And we're delighted to welcome an incredibly gifted young lady as she joins us to do her latest single on the Warner Brothers label entitled Hunger. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss KARYN White.
Never dies in love recipe, just like honey do honeybees. I just can't get in, so fill me up with my appetite. I think you know what I have in mind, and you got it, and I don't wanna let go. I'm burning with desire, I'm starving for your love, put out my a little bit. I hunger for your love. Ooh, baby, I hunger. I hunger for your love. Hunger for your love. I hunger for your love. Baby, I want you. Ooh, I hunger. Baby, I want you. Ooh, I hunger. But it lies a little fantasy. When your body is close to me, I end up in a fuss. But it is when I start to sweat. I wanna take a bite, but I know you're not buying it. But baby, oh baby, I want you. I crave the way you move. If I had to put a light, I just might lose my chance at loving you. And what I'm thinking, business pleasing, and the real thing I keep me screaming for you. I hunger for your love. Baby, I hunger for love. I hunger for your love. Baby, I hunger. I hunger for your love. I hunger for your love. I hunger for your love. Hunger for your love. So tell me what you gonna do. Yeah, tonight with the pleasures of me. Baby, I want you. So fill me up with your love recipe. I hunger for you, baby, how I want you. So good I need to love. I hunger for your love, baby, I hunger.
That was wonderful. That was beautiful there. You know what? You're beautiful, too. I'm going to put a minute in my mouth to talk to you. You just fine. I'm going to tell you that right now.
You got another one?
I have another one, but it's back there. You are so beautiful. That was really great. Now, I know each of your productions, KARYN White Productions, you're writing more and more on your own.
Oh, yeah.
Did you collaborate with anybody on this new LP?
Oh, yeah, I did. Actually, well, I co-wrote 8 songs on this new album called Make 'Em Do Right.
Make 'Em Do Right.
Yes, and actually, my husband, Terry, and his partner, Jimmy Jam.
Woo!
Yes.
You big.
Ah!
You fat.
And Babyface and Daryl Simmons. So that was pretty much the team, McKinley Horton, Jelly Bean Johnson.
You can't beat that.
Oh, yeah, I feel good.
But you're working with your husband. What's that like? Who does the cooking here? You get any say-so?
I'm every woman. I do the cooking. I go to work. I have a new baby I just had, so
And
You
so
know how women are. We got to be everyone.
you're doing everything.
Yeah.
So if you're doing everything, I want you to do some more. Will you sing another one for us tonight?
to.
You
Love
got it
to.
right here on Soul Train, all right? Thank you so much. KARYN White, my new